Alright, this is a grooming brush I got about a month ago to use on my cat. This is the Hipidog pet grooming brush, and it will work well for dogs, cats, or rabbits. I like the green color. It also comes in blue. There are two basic styles, what they call the flat needle, which is stainless steel, and rubber needle. And this is the rubber needle. So, I got this because she had been shedding a little bit when she was a kitten. And she's in this little hammock right now for convenience purposes, and just worked out well for the video. And she loves getting brushed. Very nice, very relaxing, and she loves her hammock too. And now this is obviously very simple to use. And now if you want to remove all of the hair that you might have gotten, all you have to do is there's this right here, this, I'm gonna call it a button, but the button slides up. So you push it all the way up and it pushes it off for you to be able to take it off and throw it away. Okay, and I like those kinds of brushes. The brushes that, you know, you have to use another brush or rip it off. It's very hard and it just kind of gets a little messy. So this, I like it, and so does she. Now I do have 3 cats, and brushing them is a daily thing because they do shed. One does shed more than the rest, mostly because he's adjusting to a new home. But it also just helps them make sure they don't pick up anything when they clean themselves. So here's a closer look at the brush. Now, not only does this button move up and down for the ease of removing the hair, but you can change the needle length. So I have it all the way down, it looks like this. But if your animal has shorter hair, or it's a more sensitive place like their stomach, you can lower the needle length and make it more comfortable. Now I really enjoy this brush. I like the ease of cleaning, the ease of using it. I like the little cover that it comes with, just to, you know, make sure it doesn't get anything like trapped in it while I have it away. That easily slides on and off. And she likes it too, which is very, very important as well. Thanks for watching.